Let's chat about this budget tab. If you're using any of the seller spreadsheets, you will have a budget tab on your spreadsheet. It's optional to use. I'm going to be showing you the budget tab on the Etsy seller spreadsheet, but if you're using another seller spreadsheet, it works the same and looks very similar. So the budget tab was added just to give you the opportunity, if you want, to set a budget for your business expenses. You can sort it out by category here. And this tab is pretty straightforward. It's going to have some links to your actual expenses flowing in from your monthly summary tab. So all the expenses that show up here will show up on the actual rows of your budget tab. And you can also set your budget each month by filling out the budget row. So let's say whenever you are first using your spreadsheet, you may know that you want to try and only spend $500 a month on materials and supplies. So you could set that budget for the whole year. You can make a varying amount per month. You could just set your budget for 1 month at a time. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. I do have a blog post on my site about recommendations and ideas for how to make a budget for your business that I will post below this video. But however you decide to set a budget for your business, you can use this tab to track it, and then it will log your actual spending against your budgeted amount each month, and it will tell you your total difference against your budgeted amount for that month as well, so you can keep track of how you're doing against that budget. So pretty self-explanatory, nothing really crazy going on here, but this is what you can use if you want to set a budget for your business.